In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry stories or posts on Facebook. Now, it's pretty simple, but just make sure you follow along so you don't miss any important steps, and subscribe if you find this video helpful so we can reach 500 subscribers. That would mean a lot to me. But anyways, the first thing we want to do is we want to open up Facebook. Now, once we are on Facebook, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to the menu option, which is in the bottom right hand corner. All you have to do is click on that, and then from here, what you need to do, scroll down and find where it says settings and privacy. There's a little drop down menu. Just click on that right here. Then you're going to click on the settings option, and it's going to bring you to a page like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is you just want to scroll down and see the preferences option. You just want to click on the media option, which is this fifth one down, I believe, right here. Once you click on that, we just want to turn on the optimized feature, and we actually want to turn on, toggle on, whatever you want to call it, the feature to optimize the media quality. And this basically will allow everything to be posted and be viewed in full quality using maximum data or Wi-Fi connection so that it can be viewed at the crispest quality of all time. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe, because we're trying to reach 500 subscribers and it would mean a lot to me.